Hey, it's Trudy at Maven. Are you acting like the breadwinner or the babysitter? Because this is a big girl pants required, no more excuses topic. Ladies, it's high time to shift the mindset from hobbyist to breadwinner. Have you ever let a client slide on a payment? If you've dipped into your own savings or used your credit card to cover costs because someone else didn't pay you, then this episode is your wake-up call. Mine too. I have been very guilty of this, and this has been my wake-up call as well. Would a breadwinner let that slide? We've all been conditioned to keep the peace, not rock the boat, and to be endlessly understanding. But let me ask you, would a primary provider for a household just shrug and say, oh, well, they'll pay eventually? Absolutely not. Breadwinners don't wait. Breadwinners don't beg. Breadwinners don't carry someone else's financial slack on their own credit card. Letting non-paying clients stretch their balances turns you into their personal banker, and you're not getting interest, protection, or respect. Ladies, put your big girl pants on. This is the part where I'm going to get very blunt because you deserve better. You cannot afford to run a business like a side gig or a charity. Bookkeeping isn't a favor. It's not a friendship. It's not part of your identity as a helpful person. It's a trade, and tradespeople get paid or else they stop working, period. So let's remember that you teach people how to treat you. If you send invoices late, waive fees without asking, or avoid uncomfortable conversation, you're teaching clients that your needs come last. I've learned this one the hard way, and it's partly why I created Maven. Because the Maven way, it's about systems, boundaries, clarity, and payment terms that actually mean something. So what happens when your clients don't pay? Let's break this down financially. If a client doesn't pay their invoice and you cover your software subscription, your rent, your cell phone out of your personal funds to keep servicing them, you're not just being nice, you're literally subsidizing their business. And if you've turned to credit to bridge that gap, that's not flexibility, that's financial self-harm. Would a breadwinner for a family go into personal debt to avoid telling someone the power bill is overdue? No. So why are you taking the hit to keep your clients' lights on? And again, I was guilty of this. Your business deserves to be taken seriously by you first. Maven is built around this core truth. If you want your clients to take you seriously, then you need to take you seriously first. That means honoring your time, your skill, and your risk. And it means running your business like the breadwinner you are or the one you're becoming. Listen, no one can respect boundaries that you haven't set. So put systems in place so you don't have to ask for payments. They just happen. This eliminates the lack of respect you're experiencing. Put contract language in place so that expectations are crystal clear. Stop relying on hope. Start operating like the professional backbone of your client's business, because that's what you are. If this one hit home for you today, it's because you already know you've outgrown the way you've been operating. The next version of your business starts with a decision. You're not the help, you're the expert, the advisor, the breadwinner, and it's time to act like. So if you want a simple little checklist to get your systems in order and stop letting unpaid invoices run your life, grab the Maven Breadwinner Toolkit below. It's free, powerful, and built for women who are done waiting to be taken seriously. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you've got another 4 minutes, we've got another video. Up next, silver linings. I personally love silver linings. I think they're everywhere if you look. Here are 4 mind shifts that turn setbacks into strategy. See you there.